folks. Let's go ahead and get started here in just a few seconds. Oops, let's just turn that off real quick. There we are. Alrighty. Oh, I just realized the camera's not on. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Go by Bo, easy to say and remember. Excuse me. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary today on this July 6th, right after July 4th weekend here in the US. The disclaimer is there for your information, for your use. The link to sign up to receive this 3D market commentary to your inbox daily, Monday through Friday, is right here, tradewithufos.com/Bojan. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the 3D market commentary would look something like this into your inbox. We're looking at it on the left side here. The 3D approach means that we're looking at three different dimensions of the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. So the market climate is giving us that information whether we should be looking for long or short opportunities. Buy and sell UFOs, the unfilled orders, right? The proprietary software that's giving us the turning points that we use for entries or exits. And then, of course, utilizing market volatility to realize what the speed of movement is so that we can adjust our risk and reward ratio properly. So we combine these three things, these three statistical elements to give us an edge in the markets. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the S&P, which is already pulled up here. As you see, the S&P just keeps on making new all-time highs. It is a confirmed up climate. It is now the 10th day up out of typically 9. So we're one day past the sensible point of this market going up. Could that signal an immediate, stagnation or maybe reversal? Absolutely not. We've seen markets kind of go into that same climate for, 1.5 to 2 times, sometimes even 2.5 and 3 times their amount of candles that they're expected to go for. We do not have any sell UFOs, right? We don't have anything above. We do have a new buy UFO though, 42.94.25 to 42.53.50, and based on the VIX, we're still dancing around that magical number of 16%. Daily expected move 43 points has not been achieved just yet. Okay, so similarly like we spoke about before with the S&P kind of chart patterns, just we did see a deeper pullback to that close to 4,000 number. And then it shot back up again, retested that same exact area, the area held, and haven't looked back since, right? So we've had quite a bit of, movement here. Couple of days that we had, a complete reversal, a steep drop down with a steep pullback up. And then here we are at these all-time highs around this 43.41 area. That's that for the S&P. Let's go ahead and move on down to our 3D market commentary. So if you're looking for education, right? If you're looking for future stocks, Forex, backtesting, trading plans, psychology, you've come to the right place. Please click this link here to browse and register for a course here. Key thing right here is that it comes with a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate. So definitely take advantage of that offer right there, because it is something that is just worth for its money just on its own. All right, looking at crude oil. Speaking of overextended climates, right? 29th day up out of typically 7, right? It is a confirmed up climate. No sell UFOs nearby. 74.14 to 71.97 is the first sell buy UFO down here. Based on the OVX, the current value is 32.87%, so elevated volatility on crude oil. Daily expected move has already been reached before crude oil opens. All right. Crude oil, as far as movement, it's just been kind of, treading on higher and higher. As we see here, there's been a minor pullback that we saw right there, that was quickly taken out. A little bit of consolidation here with a nice pop above as well. Okay, so that's that for crude oil. Now, if you're looking just for the proprietary software that we use here, the AutoUFOs or the AutoClimate, they are available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader. That's the newest edition. Click this link here to subscribe to get the app. We do have monthly or yearly memberships. The yearly obviously offering a bit of a discount should you sign up for a yearly membership. All right. Looking at gold, we have a, let's actually look at gold. All right, so gold is still in a down climate, even though it's gotten this nice, reversal going on. As you see, though, it is currently in a red UFO. It's in a sell UFO right here from 1804.4 to 1866 even. It is the 16th day out of typically 7 that it goes down for, right? So as you see here, it's this ST. The standard deviation is 627, and then current value is 16. So it's been going down for 16 days when it typically only goes down for 7. Okay, of course, now the consolidation of these orders is actually right here. So it's still got ways to travel to kind of hit that auto UFO, but it is within a daily sell UFO right now. As far as the buy UFO, it's down below 1652.8 to 1624.4, based on GVZ 15.28%. Daily expected move $17. That's already been done. Gold's been open for about 8 minutes now. So a lot of movement on gold. As far as overall, just we saw those lows hold there around the 1700s, like we saw before. Right, a lot of movement there, and then we said as soon as it pushes around this even 1900 number, there's bound to be some action. Didn't prove to be the case for a few days, right? We had a few days with just really dilly-dally movement, and then a big drop down, a pullback to kind of retest. Hey, we still dropping? Yes, we are. Right, so a lot of movement on gold. Okay, now if you're looking for coaching and support, we do have daily live trading sessions that are really compatible with every zone. We have them, take a look at the calendar. If you go to tradewithufos.com/calendar, you'll be able to get them onto your calendar so they can pop up as reminders. It's really a neat little tool. Now, on top of that, we do have all asset advanced coaching here. So definitely click this link here to get to that advanced coaching. It comes with monthly, yearly, or all-inclusive memberships. So take a look at that, see what you think. This does come with an option to get together one-on-one with any one of these instructors here on our channel. So if you have already utilized it, so it's a pretty neat thing. So definitely to check it out. All right, looking at the dollar, it is an up climate. It is confirmed. It's the 17th day out of typically 5. The sell UFO that was almost touched right there, 92,840 to 93,125, which overlaps with the 93,005 to 93,470. So this is one big chunk of sell UFOs. As you see, it almost touched it right here on this wick. Didn't quite make it there. Pulled back since. It is as we said, a confirmed up climate. Yeah, it is confirmed. However, it's the 17th day out of typically only 5. So it's 3 times the amount for that it's gone up for. All right. And then based on EVZ, we're at 6% volatility. 0.35 for the day has already been achieved. Alrighty, now if you don't want to read this overview, you can definitely watch it here on YouTube. You can just click this link, it'll take you to our channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel on YouTube so we can just help the YouTube algos kind of spread the word for us. My colleague and I, Becky, go over these every day of the week. Alrighty, last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. It is currently a down climate. It is the fourth day that it's been going down for, out of to be determined, right? We're still gathering information on Bitcoin to be able to have a standard deviation. 37,460 to 39,295 is the first sell UFO. The buy UFO is down below at 27,782.5 to 22,910. Of course, if you're trading Bitcoin, just assume, excessive volatility. That's just the case, no matter what provider you use when it comes to trading crypto. Okay, doing a little bit of a chart analysis since we have a few minutes here. As we saw, crypto reached this 65,000 even number, then ended up pulling back substantially. Tried to retest again into those highs, did not succeed. Steep pullback, which basically halved it from 65,000 to this 32,000 area, but ended up going a little bit lower as well. I think it made it even to 30,000 right there. Pullback again, it's stuck a little bit in this channel, kind of heading lower, and now it's just kind of, in this area right here. We're gonna see what's going to happen, if it'll pull out and shoot back up, or if it's gonna retest some of these lower areas and maybe gather some more kind of larger order, concentrated orders down here below. All right, that's that for all of our instruments, the markets that we're looking at. But if you do have, if you're interested and you have some questions, you can schedule a clarification call here where you can go over the courses, apps, coaching, or memberships that we do offer. This is something that it's readily available to anyone. You can just schedule it to whatever time works best for you. Okay, a couple of news events here. So we got Aussie interest rate decisions, the Euro retail sales, ISM services for PMI for June for on Tuesday, July 6th, meaning today. FOMC meetings, FOMC meeting minutes coming out today, and then we have a couple of holidays, consumer price index, another speech, and then CAD unemployment rate and net change in employment. And that's that. We're at the end of our session, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. I was certainly enjoying presenting it to you, and hope to catch you later soon. Thank you very much.